Hey you guys, it is such a big day. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Sony ZV-1F and all the accessories that I got with it. This huge Amazon box has my tripod and my light. Okay, this is like the first time I'm like really officially investing in my YouTube channel, so I'm excited, and I thought I'd record this video to show you guys the difference between my GX7 Mark II, did I say that right? My Canon G7X Mark II and my Sony ZV-1, which is actually cheaper. But the reason why I really wanted a new camera is because there is no way to attach a mic to this Canon G7X Mark II, and I feel like it's really time for me to upgrade my audio. I actually got this as a gift from a very special someone, so thank you. And I'm going to be showing you guys my camera settings and then also everything that I got as far as accessories with this camera. So I'm like really excited because my Canon has been my baby since 2018. It has held on to me. I had to get it fixed. Like that was my baby, and now this is my new baby, so I'm just like excited. Okay, so let's turn it on real quick. So I already did all of my settings as far as like attaching this to my iPhone. You can actually have a Bluetooth setting. You can download the Sony Creators app, and then you can actually upload content straight to there, but through Wi-Fi. So I already did all that, so that's done. I want to show you guys just my settings really quick, you guys. So starting out with the first one, image quality. For file format, I just have it in HD. Movie settings, I have it in 60p for the frame rate. I didn't change the record setting. I didn't change the SNQ or the proxy setting. For media, all right, so from here I didn't change anything in the next one for the media. So let me see. Oh, that's just display. I didn't change anything there. For the file settings, I didn't change anything here either. I did like minimal changes, you guys. Shoot mode, I just left it on intelligent auto. Silent mode is off, and I think I might actually turn it on later on, but I'm enjoying the new camera. Audio recording, I have that on because you want to capture audio. My record level was at 26. I think I'm going to leave it there for now unless I see any problems later on. So gonna go back, and to go back just press the menu button if you're wondering, or press this depending on what screen you're on. Noise reduction is currently off, so I'm not vlogging outside. Audio level display, I had that as on, so I want to see like, you know, how loud I am talking when I'm recording. Image stabilization, that's active. And then what else do we have here? Zoom range, I didn't change anything with the zoom. I just have clear, normal, so I didn't change anything there. Shooting display, I did actually put the grid display just to see like where I am when I'm recording. Markers, I didn't change anything here. So moving on to exposure, I didn't change anything here, so that's good. Didn't change anything here. I'm trying to see what else I changed to let you guys know. Color tone, I did make sure that the soft screen effect is on, and I did change mine to low. It was on mid, but I was like I think I want low, so you can just change it all the way to low. So that's what I did. I don't know what the zebra display is. Focus mode, I put continuous focus, so that's good. Focus area, I left that at the zonal area. I just felt like it made more sense for me, and probably most of you guys as well. But if you know how to like manage your manual settings, you should go ahead and change it. I didn't change anything here or here. Guys, my hand is hurting. All right, didn't change anything there, and I don't think I changed anything else. Let me see. All right, and then I did connect my smartphone, so that's already connected, which is exciting. The Bluetooth remote thing is on for me to like move things over to my phone. Wi-Fi, I did all of that. So when you turn on the camera, that's gonna be the first thing that they have you go through, which I really liked. So that was easy. And then obviously language is English. This is like setting stuff. So yeah, so that is volume settings. Oop. Yeah, volume, I have it all the way up because I just like to hear myself when I'm recording. And then let's see what else. External output, yep, I don't have anything there. And we're back, and this is actually my menu that I created because I couldn't find some of the other ones, so I just have this here, but that doesn't matter. Yeah, that is everything for settings. So let's see how this thing records. So this is what the camera looks like on the display. Right now I have a memory card that has no memory right now, so I have to switch to memory cards. But I'm gonna switch over to the I'm gonna switch over to the Sony ZV-1 in just a second. But this is what the camera looks like on the outside. It's so beautiful. It does have like a little cover here. This does not. Oh, maybe I should switch over. All right, I'm switching the angle because the lighting behind, there we go. This thing does have a cover, like I was saying, but it does not like switch out like the Canon G7X Mark II. It just kind of stays right there. Has a little handle here, and then here are the buttons up here. I've been playing around with the background defocus thing, but I don't know, it's not working that well for me. But apparently when you have product showcase mode on, it doesn't work that well, which I feel like I need product showcase more. So I'm not really gonna mess with that too much, but I'll play around with it. It does have 3 settings: the camera, the video, and S&Q settings. I don't even know what S&Q is, you guys. Comment down below if you know what that is. Here's the on and off button. This is the picture button to take pictures, and then this is your zoom in and out function. So that's pretty much it, nothing too crazy. All right, so here I am back on the camera for the Canon G7X. So I'm gonna switch over to the Sony to see how that is, so you guys can see the difference between the lighting effects, and this is like pure daylight. I want to show you guys the difference between the Canon G7X Mark II quality as well as sound quality, which is the biggest thing that I'm hoping will be way better with the Sony ZV-1. So thumbnail, here we go. Alright, you guys, here is the ZV-1F performing. I already feel kind of weird because the the shoe mount, like this thingy here, is like all the way to the right. Let me show you guys. Well, actually I can't because this does not have any. The shoe mount is all the way to the right, so, and the viewfinder is to the right, and this one is up top. So I'm so used to like looking up here, but now I literally cannot look at my viewfinder because I look like I'm looking away from you guys. So I literally have to talk into the camera, which I guess is a good thing, but it's weird. It's nice because the recording button is like bright and red, so I know exactly what I'm recording. Like I keep on looking at myself, but I have to look over here, so I have to get used to that. But what is the quality feeling like? I feel like it looks good. I do have the skin softener on at low, like I showed you guys. So yeah, this is the quality, and let me show you guys my accessories. Okay, first things first is I got more batteries because the Sony ZV-1 unfortunately does not have great battery life, but it does have continuous recording. So in those times where I want to record a really long video, I don't want anything to stop me. So I did get this 3 battery pack, and it comes with a charger here. It's pretty nifty. So you can put them all 3 together. Oh my god, I'm gonna do the product focus. Is it working? It's working. Okay, so this is focus on me, focus on the product. What do you guys think? That was pretty fast, right? Okay, anyways, this is what I got, and it comes with a little cord to charge it. I think it's somewhere, but it's like a little white cord. It comes with a little cord to charge it, okay, but I'll have the listing down below on this. Is really nice. I also got this camera bag. I just felt like it was time for me to get a little camera bag. It's very sturdy. And in here it just has like some space. You put your camera, you know, stuff in here, and then it has a little zip here, little pocket. Zippers over here. So I really like it, and this is by the brand Boke. I don't know how to say that, but this is it, and it has like a long, you know, cord that you can hold it with. You can actually kind of hold it like a purse, which I really like it. So this is it. And then the zippers, very strong zippers. It has double zipping actually, and it has like a little like red stitching along the rim, which I think it's like a nice little touch. But love how sturdy it is. This does not bend. It's gonna keep your camera safe, which I really like. I also got this, you guys. I'm very excited because like the times where I vlog at night and stuff, I want to make sure that I'm always well lit. I keep looking on my viewfinder, but you guys are right here. Hi. But I got the Ulanzi light, and it is just literally one light. So let me take it out. I need to like learn how to shut it up. I think you put it on the shoe mount and then you plug it in, but this is it on, and it's actually pretty bright light, you guys. You can bring it up all the way, and I will have it, I'll put it on so you guys can see what it looks like when I'm testing my other lights, you guys can see. But this is it. I'm gonna do it during the nighttime so you guys can really see like how bright it gets. So I will insert that, and then it has the little cord that comes with it. So it's a USB cord, which is nice. So I have that. And then I also got a mic, you guys. I got the Rode Go mic. This was a pretty penny, but like I said, this is me finally investing in my YouTube channel, so here we go. But this is, like I said, I literally opened it the wrong way because I was too excited. The wireless Rode Go 2 mic. The only thing I don't have is like the lapel mic little things, but I feel like I don't need that, but I want it, but it's okay. We're gonna just work with what we have right now. But let me show you guys. So it's 2 different mics and it comes with 1 receiver. Let me open this up to show you guys. I have not used this yet, but we're gonna test this out on the camera right here so you guys can see the difference in the mic. I'm excited. So this is it right here. This is all the stuff. Let me be careful because, yeah, let me be careful. So I guess every single one of them has like a little windscreen. This is one of the mics. So it does have a clippy thing on it, but I just feel like this is so bulky to be clipping onto my shirt or whatever, but I'm gonna have to do that. And it has little colors to mark. Oh no, they're all the same color. Okay, y'all, I'm learning on camera right now. So I would have to like literally like clip it like this somewhere, I guess. That is so bulky, you guys. I don't know. If you guys think I should get lapel mics, let me know. And if you know like how this works, just let me know. Like, because I feel like this is so bulky to be like having this on every camera. But I could just have it like in front of me as well and just record. So that's also an option. I don't have to have it on my shirt, but it makes me feel more professional. But anyway, this is the Rode Go Wireless 2. Look at that autofocus, you guys. I'm just enjoying this camera. Okay, so yes. So there's the 2. This is the other one. And then I think the other one is the receiver. All right, you guys, I have been playing around with this a lot. My mic is on and I'm still gonna change the settings probably here and there. But if you wanna know, right now I have the dB on the Rode Go at 0 dB. And then I have my audio recording level on my Sony ZV-1 at 7. And I think that's a good place for audio. I kind of wanna go a little bit lower on the audio record level, but I feel like we're good, because if I scream like, hey guys, then it'll be too loud. But anyway, this is me practicing. Let me know what audio you like better, the ZV-1 or the mic. I actually really like the Sony ZV-1 audio. I feel like this is such a good camera for $500 with that mic. Like, that is really good. But the Rode, I think, gives me like more of like a rounded audio, and it just sounds more put together, more studio-like. But the camera by itself is also really great. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But I have my 2 little transmitters here. They're still charging, unfortunately, so they're right here. I don't know why this is so long to charge. I'm probably going to charge them like all day because I want them to have a full charge. But you're probably going to hear some feedback because like I'm touching them. But this is closer to the mic. This is further away. Either way, it does record like spherical what's around it, so I don't have to be like up here for it. I don't have lavalier mics for them, and I feel like I'm not gonna, I'll probably get them eventually, but not right now. I'll just like leave them on the table in front of me when I'm recording, because you don't have to be right next to it. And I kind of scream when I record naturally, not scream, but like I project my voice when I'm recording, so it works out. So I'm like facing it here, facing this. Let me know if you guys see a difference or hear a difference. But yeah, that is the mic. I'm very excited for it. I'm gonna like take it off and probably leave it to charge so it can just get a full charge, and then I'm gonna move on to unboxing my lights and my tripod. So excited. Alrighty guys, so it is actually like 7 in the morning, but the sun is not out yet. So I'm gonna be testing the lights. So the first one is the little Ulanzi light, which I probably should have showed you guys. I think I did. It's just this little light right here. I just have it on the horseshoe mount on top of my camera. So let's test this light. But to show you guys right now, I just have the room lights on. I'm going to turn those off, and I'm going to turn the Ulanzi little light on so you guys can see the power of that. So let me go turn my light on real quick. So let me go turn off my light real quick. Okay, so you guys see it's literally pitch dark in this room right now. So now I'm going to turn on the Ulanzi light. This is the light at its lowest setting, so you guys can see if you're like outside vlogging, this is really good light. Or even if you want light for a YouTube video, it's not bad. It just has a little shadow there, so you might have to turn it around depending on where you want it. But for stand on low light, this is really good. I feel like if I just had 2 of these, this would actually give me really good light. So I'm gonna put it to the highest level real quick. So this is the highest level, so you guys can see it is pretty good lighting. So now I'm going to show you guys my 2 lights that I just built out here, and I'm going to show you guys my setup totally. So let's look at that real quick. So this is the Ulanzi little light right in front of me. I could definitely see me using this vlogging at night. This is really nice. This is like really lit. And imagine having 2 of them. It'd be like, whoa there, ma'am. So I actually really like it. So yeah. I want you guys a close-up, like a realistic vlogging style one, because that's what I got it for, and I like it. She's cute. So there goes one on one side, and then it's on the other one. Ooh. And those are both of them on both sides. Oh, I need to angle that down a little bit more, so I probably need to play with it if I want it on my right and left, or if I want it like right in front of me. But these are really good lights. I like it. I like how it's not like blaring like yellow light. It's like that good white light, give you that natural like glow kind of situation. So I really like that. And then you can angle these down, angle them up. You can open the windows wider. I'll show you guys what I mean by that. But yeah, these are the lights in complete darkness, so not bad. I feel like it's nice and mood setting. So let me see if I can turn on the other light as well and see what that would give. So this is with all 3 lights on. So I don't think this little light makes a difference, honestly, when the other ones are on. Let me see. So this is off. It's like this little different. So this is the first one here. Tripod. This is not the one that I just got, and this is the other one. So this is what I mean by you can move these around to focus the light, or just make it open, so you can do that as well. So that is nice. Yeah, this is like all the mess that I made trying to unbox these, but we made it. It's still dark outside. Yes, that's the setup, you guys. But this is the setup with my lights. So let me show you guys quick. I didn't unbox my tripod just yet because I was really trying to like hurry up and make sure I don't miss the sun coming up. So I wanted to see how this is in complete darkness. But now that I know, this is really good. So I think it would be really nice to have like a light in the back, like not like a real light like a candle or something, but I feel like this is a really good place to start. And this is not even where I usually record, so that's something to keep in mind. Like this is just me like sitting up in my room, like I have boxes everywhere, but that is it. So right now I'm on the mic of the Sony ZV-1F. I'm looking here, I'm supposed to be looking here, but yeah, this is my quick little reviews on my accessories. I'm gonna link everything down below, so if you're interested, you can purchase for yourself as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.